Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with another luxury home walkthrough. This one was so strange to me. There were things I loved about it and things I absolutely did not. I had never seen so much of a mixture of what I like and what I don't. And that's good as we walk through these homes so that you know what you want to put in your own home and things that you don't like. So anyway, this one comes in at 3.999 million. It's basically a $4 million home. It's 6,490 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. It's on 3 floors and it has a 5 car garage. And if you noticed, what I really liked about the 5 car garage is all the doors are very tall, so you can get a truck in or whatever you want to park. And I think that's something that a lot of houses don't do right. So we actually entered around the back of the house first. Beautiful fire pit and pool and a huge deck area, so I'm sure people will be tempted to jump off of that. It did have a jumping area off to the left that you could jump off of. As you first walk in, look at this door with that handle. I think the thing that threw me off about this house the most is that it had like a 1970s theme. So look at this little shelf area with the bottom part. It looks like it's from the Brady Bunch. You have a formal dining room off the front here and also a large office. And this has nice big windows out the front with the automatic blinds you may have seen coming down in the front. So it was kind of nighttime, so you don't get to see how much light comes in. But again, the style, I was mixed feelings about. It had a really cool sitting area, and this was like a split level design as you walk down into it. I grew up with a home that had that off the front too, so maybe it's bringing back some memories. Beautiful fireplace, and I like how they have the place for all the wood there, even though I think that's more of a design. I think it's a gas fireplace, but it had those fun, beautiful little balls that are in there on fire, and I really like the flooring in here. But going back to the 70s theme, I didn't care for that much. And it was new and it was nice, but it made it kind of feel old, especially these stairs. If you look at them, the tile selection on that was interesting. Again, in here in the kitchen, beautiful big stone. I love the island. The rest of it looks very dated just because that's the style they were going for. So if you like that style, it's perfect for me. I didn't care for it much. So had a little butler pantry, a little walkthrough here onto the side with more cabinets and shelves. I have, another dining area here off to the side. And here's another look at this big area here with seating. And I like how it has another wood slab that's down lower, a little counter, so that you can sit at that and even have younger children sit at it. And the booth was a nice touch too. Coming in off of the garage, more of the 70s style cabinets. Useful, but the design, you like it or you don't, I guess. I didn't like the backsplash color at all on this, but I love the rest of the sink and the stone. And this shower just made me dizzy. I didn't like that tile selection either. But going up the stairs, I really did not like these stairs. They were slippery. They were hard to walk on. Beautiful area though, and the railing was nice earlier, but I do not like that pattern. And just it looked really old, and that's the theme. So coming down the hallway here, you have a nice little seating area with TV, so fun hangout place. This was definitely designed for a bunch of children or kids to live in at the same time, so maybe they should call it like the Brady Bunch house or something. But it was well done here. We come into a nice bathroom with floating cabinets with lights underneath it, and the shower, this one was okay. A little busy looking. I like how it had a little glass divider here so that you could kind of look through that. And the lights on the mirror were really cool. I thought they were a fun design. They kind of angled forward and you got light in both directions from the mirror and from the fixture itself. So that was cool. 70s themed furniture again. Not liking much of that, but you have a little playhouse area under a bunk, so you could put another bed down there or use it like that as a little fun place. The tile selection in here was okay. Interesting vanity, tub, kind of okay there. And this room had some fun look to it. I don't care for the wallpaper much or the color of the carpet. And we have that again over here for more of a child sleeping area with some big bunk beds. And a very tall area, at least on the bottom, that you could stand up with. And then kind of a short area here to sleep on. So that's normal, and I see why they did it bigger on the bottom so you could have some standing area for a 4-foot child or so. Tile in this one was okay, but you'd probably want a bathtub with children, especially if they're at the age they're sleeping in bunk beds. but nice shower otherwise. I love the laundry room though, and I love those floating hanging shelves that came down for you to hang clothes up. It had a very interesting crawl space, and there is an exit over there to the right if you look. So you actually crawl in here and then you go up. So interesting crawl space. Had a nice little water bottle filling area, so that's a nice touch. Keep you hydrated, and then more stairs over here that went up to another level. And again, the laundry room, the tile was pretty fun. I didn't mind it. I thought the laundry room looked okay and the colors were even okay, but I love those racks that to come down that you can hang clothes on. I think we need to put those in our home. Okay, now we're going to head in towards the master. So it had a nice little area to put up some paintings. Here's where the master bed would be with very nice sliding glass windows and windows above the bed that are pretty tall to let some light in. So I really like that layout. And going into the master, very busy with the tile selection that they used and the 70s theme, but it looked elegant and it was nice. The flooring looked like a 70s school or something. And this tub, tell me what you think about this tub. Very interesting here. A lot of work into it, a lot of tile work, and lots of places to put your shampoo and everything like that. But the master closet was beautiful. It didn't look like it belonged in the home, so I really liked it. I liked the carpet selection, all of the places to put your stuff. It was a little cramped, but you have plenty of space. And then right off to the side here, we have a home gym, so nice touch to have that in the morning to get up and do your daily routine. You have a balcony to look off of. Okay, so we're downstairs on the main level again, more of this 1970s shelving, and here's an office type area. But tell me what you think about this back wall here, this feature wall. This looked 100% 1970s to me, and I did not like it. I didn't like it at all. But maybe this is your dream home. But anyway, more stairs, and again, the stairs were kind of slippery because they had that wood right at the end of them, and the tile color and everything I didn't care for much. So coming downstairs, you can see into the living room through the little paneling. That's like a 70s look again. It was a cool feature. As you come down into the basement, you have a little bar area here and place to play with the foosball table and video games, and so it kind of sets the mood here. This counter was awesome. It was like quartz or something because they embedded lights in it, and so you could see the lights through it. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I really did like the backsplash that they used down here. It was a fun pattern. They have a little music room down here. Now notice there are no windows, so these could not be bedrooms. But they just had two, movie theater room and a music room here, and then an arcade game for your future. There was a small bathroom that just had basically the sink and the toilet, so you wouldn't have anyone staying down here either without a tub or a shower. I think they could have easily probably put one down here, and it would have made a nice area, but again, that'd be kind of hard without it being what I would think to code for a bedroom. But look at this backsplash. I think this is really nice looking, and they got their 70s glasses here for you too. So anyway, this is a fun home. It again had a lot of things that I liked to see and a lot of things I didn't. I loved these tall garage doors. You can fit whatever truck you want just driving right in, not having to worry about height. But anyway, let me know your thoughts. Maybe you love this. Maybe you love everything about it. To me, it had some things I loved and some things that I didn't care for. So anyway, thanks for watching. Check the video description. I have more videos that are like this. And as always, thanks for watching.